Nodding Heads Games started with the mission of putting India on the game dev map, and I feel we have succeeded in our mission since Raji has, you know, achieved 34 accolades with 10 wins. In our team, Nodding Heads is composed of three co-founders: myself, Ian Maud, and Shruti Ghosh. So Raji was inspired by a trip to Jaisalmer. In 2014, I was in front of a early 18th century structure called Patwo Ki Haveli. I was hypnotized by the beauty of the structure, and I asked myself, why is this not a video game?
As far as I'm aware, nothing has been created solely on Indian culture, diversity, and mythology. And we saw a gap in the market, and it was something that we thought needed filling. And with all the struggles, knowing that one, you're an Indian studio, an indie studio, you've got so many hurdles already against you. And we had to go out and prove ourselves.
We got in touch with Super.com, who, as many people would know, became a publisher. So when that happened, that is when Raji's future was more concrete than ever, that we will have the funds to develop this game for PC and consoles. During our development, most Raji fans would know about the 2D cinematics we have in Puppet style. Those 2D cinematics were made in Maya, and they were done by an animator called Isaac Walker. He's from Australia. And to get those cinematics inside the game, we had to render it, and export it to Maya. And those rendering processes can be hectic, tedious, and week-longs. When we look at the AMD Threadripper, it helps us resolve this big problem, which was to render 2D cinematics. And because 64 cores are present at the same place, it's much faster. It is a smooth process. You have to do it on one machine. You don't have to connect machines. You don't have to set up this tedious process, checking all the machines and which one's on, which one's off. And the same goes for light baking.
When we're doing light bakes, it was almost 24 hours. And during that time period, anything can happen. You can have machines that actually drop off the system. You've got power cuts, as you know, here in India. We've got backup systems for that, but sometimes they fail. So it's, if we had the Ripper back then, and if we had it during the process, through the development of Raji, I would have been a very, very happy man. But we have one now, and it is, our tech artist is in love with it.
Raji fans can expect better lighting output, and I'll tell you why. Because Ian has been, the moment we got Threadripper, he's been wanting to rebake all the levels. Since we are doing this enhanced edition, and we do plan to change a few things and there which require light bake anyway, so there will be a second go at trying to improve the existing lighting. Not that anything's wrong with it, but just to push boundaries a little further. This time you have the AMD Threadripper, who's gonna give you the results in few minutes. It's gonna be as good as checking in real time. You make changes, you bake it, you see the changes. So great to have the Threadripper now.